everyone, welcome to Cosmic Kids. I'm Jaime and this is your place for yoga, stories and fun. It's easy, just copy the moves I do and enjoy the adventure. Now we always start in the same way, and that's by sitting on our bottoms, crossing our legs and bringing our hands together at our hearts to say our secret yoga code word, which is namaste. Ready? After 3. 1, 2, 3. Namaste. There. Now, let's take a look through our cosmonoculars and find out who we're meeting today. Joining our thumbs and fingers together, have a look through. Ooh, look at those colours and those shapes all spinning around together. Oh, look, can you see the picture? It's a panda. It's Pebbles the Panda. Oh, what's Pebbles doing? She's doing yoga. She's doing rainbow pose. Lowering our hands. How lovely! Our story today is all about Pebbles the Panda. So let's begin in a panda pose. Coming up onto our hands and knees, we walk our hands forwards a little bit and we slowly lower our chest all the way down to the ground. Oh, it feels nice, this stretch, across the top of our backs and our shoulders. We walk all the way up, taking our hands back and our legs out wide to sit like a panda. Very good, everyone. Now, Pebbles loves spending time with her family and playing with her siblings. They love to munch on bamboo. Let's give our jaws a little massage and a rub, like we're munching on some yummy bamboo. They love to roll around. Let's do some panda rolls. Bringing our feet in, we use our 2 fingers and we hook them round our big toes. Now, we're going to lift up our feet and see if we can balance. Oh, try not to wobble. We're going to rock all the way back and all the way up. Ready? Tucking our chin in after 3. 1, 2, 3. Whoop! Woo! And again. Whoop! Whee! And one more time. Whoop! Whee! It's fun rolling around like a panda, isn't it? But best of all, the pandas love to lie down on their backs, hold onto their feet and giggle away like happy baby pandas, enjoying the sunshine. Now, in a few days' time, Pebbles starts big school. She was feeling excited about it, but as the first day gets closer, her excitement turns into worry. Let's rock all the way up to sit and cross our legs. Lots of unhelpful thoughts are swirling around in her mind. Bringing our hands onto our knees, we swirl around from our waist and have a look at some of those unhelpful thoughts. What if I'm not good enough? What if nobody likes me? Let's swirl the other way. What if I don't know any of the answers? What if I don't know the teacher, or the teacher doesn't like me? Sitting up nice and tall, Pebbles feels lots of tingles in her fingers and her hands, her paws. Let's give those a little wiggle and a tingle. Those tingles are in her feet too. Let's lift them up and wiggle them around. Oh dear, her body feels rather strange, like she's got butterflies fluttering in her tummy. Let's do a butterfly pose. Drawing the soles of our feet together, knees out wide, we flutter them up and down. Oh dear, poor Pebbles. She goes to the stream to try and clear her mind. Crossing our legs, let's come up to stand without touching our hands on the floor. Here we go. Ooh! Way, well done, everyone. Look, there on a lily pad, balancing, is Bob, the wise frog. Let's do a little froggy squat pose. Taking our feet a little bit wider, we bend all the way down and we snuggle our arms in between our legs, drawing our froggy fingers together, just like Bob, the wise frog. Bob is enjoying the sounds of the stream, the tickle of air on his nose, and the warmth of the sun on his back. Ah! Pebbles looks at Bob and wishes she had some of his calm, confident energy. Bob sees Pebbles, puts his froggy fingers down and stretches his froggy legs long. He dangles folded in half with his froggy fingers in the stream. Now Bob doesn't say much, but when he does, it's pretty awesome. He's not called Bob the Wise Frog for nothing. Ah, young Pebbles, life is very much like this stream, always moving, ever changing. All you can do is breathe, be brave, and leap in. And Bob does so. Planting our hands down, we jump our feet all the way back, lower to our knees and our chest. Bob lifts his head and shoulders out of the water, rolling our shoulders back, lifting all the way up to look at Pebbles and say, "Pebbles, you can do it." Pebbles sits back on her heels, kneeling. Wow, that was cool. Maybe life really is a bit like this stream, and school is on the next bend. Maybe I should just leap in, go with it. I'll be okay. Finally, the first day of school is here. Pebbles buries her head in her pillow, folding all the way forwards to rest our head on the floor. It's still very early, but Pebbles is feeling jittery and nervous. And she's not alone. Her brothers and sisters are also feeling a bit nervous, going back to a new year, a new teacher. But Pebbles is especially worried. Coming all the way up to sit, she does the one thing that she knows will help, some yoga. Coming up onto hands and knees, Pebbles tucks her toes, walks her hands forwards a little bit and presses up into a lovely downward dog pose. Ah, she takes a breath here. And she says out loud, "I can leap in." Then she lifts up one of her legs and she steps it between her paws, turning her back paw round and cartwheeling her arms all the way up to look over her front paw in a panda warrior pose. She takes another breath as she says, "We're all in the same boat. We'll all be feeling the same thing, surely." She stretches up nice and tall and she bends deeply into a panda warrior pose on the other side. Once again, she does a big deep breath as she says, "Really, what's the worst that can happen?" Pebbles is rather smartly checking in with all of her fears and feelings, and she's dealing with them. She feels better already for this. Let's jump our feet back together. Boing! Very good, everyone. Now, there at the school gates, Pebbles sees some of the other animals who she's starting school with today. There's Lenny the lion, who hasn't learnt how to roar yet, so just sticks out his tongue. Let's come down to kneel, and after 3, instead of doing a big roar, let's just stick out our tongues. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Amazing, very good, everyone. Sitting all the way back. And look, there's David, the little cheeky monkey, who's feeling both nervous and excited at the same time. So he does a great big monkey jump. Let's do a big monkey jump. Coming into a crouch position, everyone. After 3, big jump in the air and a big monkey noise. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo-ah-ah-ah! Very good, everyone. Now, nerves and excitement come from exactly the same place in our brains. And look, Myrtle the turtle is so shy that she's hiding in her shell. Let's do a turtle pose. Sitting on our bottoms, legs out to the side, little bend in our knees, we fold forwards and we shuffle our arms underneath our legs to tuck ourselves down in our shell like little shy Myrtle. Oh dear. Pebbles sits up tall, legs out wide as usual, as she looks around, smiling, thinking, I've got this. I can be kind. I can make friends. And so Pebbles leaps in. A new chapter of her life begins. Her stream. It's school. Let's lie back now and enjoy some lovely relaxation, letting our arms and legs rest, our body feel heavy. We take a deep breath in through our nose and out of our mouth. In through our nose and out of our mouth. Letting go of any thoughts, any worries, and any busyness. We can build a picture of something in our minds, and we can often build that picture to be a lot worse than it actually is. We have a choice when we build a picture of something in our minds. We can, if we choose, make it look brilliant, exciting, interesting, the best it can be. Having worries is fine, and feeling nervous is absolutely normal and natural. But just like Pebbles, we have the power to choose how we experience something. We can shape it to look brilliant and interesting and fun. So be brave, leap in. You'll surprise yourself at how strong you really are. And now it's time to wake up, wiggling our toes and wiggling our fingers, hugging our knees into our chest and rolling onto our sides as we open up our eyes and come to sit with our legs crossed and our hands together at our hearts to finish just the way we started, with our secret yoga code word, which is namaste. Ready? After 3. 1, 2, 3. Namaste. Wow, you were amazing in our Pebbles the Panda adventure. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you again soon for another Cosmic Kids adventure. Bye-bye.